Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change password on Facebook Messenger. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Messenger application. First, you need to get logged into your account by providing your registered phone number or email address and password. I am going to provide my registered phone number. Now go in for providing your password. Tap in Log In. After you get logged into your account, you need to tap in Profile icon on top left corner. Scroll to the down and you can see Account Settings under Account section. Tap on it. It will directly take you to the Settings section. Now you can see Security and Login under Security section. Tap on it. Tap on Change Password. To change your password, first of all you need to provide your current password. Go for it. Now go in for providing a new password for your account. Retype your password for the confirmation. Tap in Save Changes. Your password on Facebook Messenger has been changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your password on Facebook Messenger. Thank you.